I'm so happy to invite from PineBM in here.
Facility is very good and very safety and clean. Product is very good too. I already use for my clinic, and this is make me more confidence to use them.
It's a better choice for the double chin because the flat mask is very thick. It consists of a lot of thread, so it will be like more tightening. It gives stronger effect on diminish the double chin. So I think I'm looking forward to use it more with the new technique also. So polyderm is the newest technology for collagen stimulation, and I really want to try it for my face and also for my clients. So hopefully we gain good results, and we see.